Hi guys, welcome to my channel. How to set up Windows Hello and face recognition fingerprint in the Windows 11. So guys, first method, click to start and setting. After that, click on account and then click sign in option. This is the fingerprint. You just click on it. So this is the fingerprint. When you click to fingerprint, you just set up and then start and then finger and then you can set it. This is hello pin. Same it is, you can set, click and type password and after that you can set it. And this is face, hello face. Okay, so we are cannot find the camera, and if you are facing any issue, so no worry about it, I am just giving you can set same options. Okay, so after this troubleshooting it will show highlight set of options and then we can resolve the issues. Okay, so next step, close it, reset the Windows biometric service, click to start, type services, right click to run as administrator and then type W Windows biometric service, open it and select the automatic, stop, start, apply, click on apply and then OK, and after that select once again Windows biometric and left hand side restart options. Okay, and then close it. Next, check the enable camera permissions. So click to start, go to setting, then click to last, privacy and setting, scroll down, click on camera and then this is access. Okay, so if it is off, so click to on it. Okay, and then close it, and after that restart and then check. But one more command, this is very important. Sometime what happened, your system is corrupted, so for the repair Windows file, so click to start and type cmd and type this command, and this command I will descriptions and give you, so you can, so this is error because I've already troubleshooting for the I run this command. Okay, so this command need to restart. Okay, so do not this error it not come to your system, it will start a percentage. Okay, and then try to second command. So second command is sfc space slash sfc space slash scan now and then hit enter. So it is start the percentage like that and it will complete 100%, then need to restart your system. Okay, thank you.